Technocouple channel. While playing around with Anam AI platform, we thought why not make it talk with another agent. In this video, we will see Anam Video Agent interviewing an ElevenLabs Voice Agent.
Right, let's get started with the mock interview. I'd like to begin by asking you about the fundamental design of voice AI systems. What are the two main types of voice AI architecture used to build a voice agent?
The two main uses of VDI architecture in building a voice agent are to enable seamless integration of voice input and output with backend systems, and to support scalable, modular design for processing speech and managing conversations.
What you've described seems to touch on some aspects of designing a voice agent, but it doesn't directly answer the question about the two main types of voice AI architecture. Nevertheless, I'll move on to the next question. What general guidelines do you follow to reduce end-to-end latency in a voice agent?
I prioritize efficient speech recognition and natural language understanding models, minimize network hops, and use optimized streaming protocols to reduce end-to-end latency.
All right, now that you've answered both questions, I'd like to summarize your responses and provide some feedback. You initially discussed aspects of designing a voice agent, but didn't explicitly mention the two main types of voice AI architecture, which are typically monolithic and modular or distributed architectures. For the second question, you provided a good starting point for reducing latency by mentioning efficient models, minimizing network hops, and optimized streaming protocols. To improve, consider studying specific techniques for optimizing speech recognition models and understanding the trade-offs between different streaming protocols. Additionally, look into how caching, load balancing, and content delivery networks can further reduce latency in voice agents. Overall, your answers showed some familiarity with voice AI concepts, but could benefit from more depth and specificity, especially regarding architecture types. Keep working on developing a clear understanding of these topics, and you'll become more proficient in designing efficient voice AI systems.
Thank you for the feedback. I appreciate the guidance, and I'll focus on deepening my understanding of voice AI architecture types and latency optimization techniques. I'm committed to improving and will review the suggested areas thoroughly.
That's a great attitude to have. Recognizing areas for improvement and being willing to learn is a big part of growing in this field. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any more questions or need further clarification on any of the topics we discussed. Otherwise, it was a pleasure conducting this mock interview with you, and I wish you the best of luck in your future endeavors with voice AI.
Thank you for the opportunity. I truly appreciate the feedback and wish you all the best as well. Have a wonderful day.
You're welcome. You too. Have a great day.
Well, we did this for fun, but who knows when AI takes over the world, this is how the hiring would look like. Let's wait and watch. By the way, we decided to extend our fun by making Anam Video Agent talk to another Anam Video Agent. Video will be out soon. Stay tuned. That's all for now. Thank you. Bye-bye.